Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want Google Chrome to warn you if one of your passwords has been compromised in a data breach? Chrome has a useful setting that can warn you if a password has been published online. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and enable this password breach alert setting in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Find the password breach alert setting. Turn on the switch. Chrome will now warn you if a password has been compromised in a data breach. To turn this feature off, tap the switch again. And that's how to enable password breach alerts in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.